We have this sauce, tomato sauce, barbecue sauce,
Honey mustard, ranch, buffalo, salsa, mayonnaise, and
tomato
ketchup.
sauce, and
Welch's strawberry jam. Wow.
I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna take, what is this?
That is honey mustard.
Those are mine. I'll take those sauces.
Okay. We got onion rings and fries. I want some onion rings.
Ooh, I got
And we got some
sauce.
stars. Here, have some napkins. Don't make a mess, please. And use sauce. We have sauce. Which sauce? It's too hot. You gotta use some sauce. Let me see the burger.
There.
Let me check out your burger, Evelyn. Making the fries fall. Wow, they're fresh.
Cool.
You gotta use some
We
ketchup or
each
something.
get a few onion rings,
Yeah, yeah.
and we each get a salt basket.
Okay. I'm gonna just stop recording until you get it all assembled.
This is what we got.
Oh wow, that looks good. Cheeseburger, some famous stars, some onion rings and fries. You got salsas. How is it?
Great.
You think it's great? How about you, Eugene? Do you like it?
I'll be using this on my sandwich.
Must be pretty good.
Hey! I hate you.
Take a sip of water.
That's mine.
We gotta go, guys. We really do.
Oh my god. Do you call that okay? Hey! Yeah. It's an onion. Now I only have
Bro, you're in the most unhealthy part.
everybody.